Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Martha Mildenhall from the amazing digital circus. Martha Mildenhall, wife of Baron Mildenhall, embodies a quiet, spectral elegance within the walls of Mildenhall Manor. With a nearly fully cyan aura, Martha appears with just the upper half of her form visible, exuding a mysterious charm. Her shoulder-length hair is framed by a wide-brimmed hat, and she wears a knee-length, short-sleeved dress with ribbons at the neck and waist. Her eyes, pure white and emotionless, contrast with her black eyebrows. She has no mouth to speak with, yet her presence speaks volumes. Once a kind-hearted woman, Martha was accidentally killed by her husband, the Baron, who mistook her for the ominous figure he called the Angel. She remains gracious even in death, treating newcomers to Mildenhall Manor with warmth and politeness. Her interactions with Ragatha and Gangle are characterized by her gentle and welcoming nature, extending even to their friend Jax, whom she addresses with respectful courtesy. In her ghostly afterlife, she maintains a somewhat wry perspective on her tragic end. Martha, seemingly unfazed by her husband's fatal error, brushes it off with humor, remarking on the silliest priorities men can have. She looks on as the Baron indulges in his dramatic monologues, finding amusement in his quirks rather than bitterness. Martha's demeanor reflects a haunting grace, as if she remains patiently waiting to share one last kindness, a testament to the woman she was and continues to be, even in spirit. At the 15-minute mark of the amazing digital circus, the scene shifts to a peculiar yet serene tea gathering. Martha Mildenhall, sitting gracefully at the dining table, pours tea for her companions, Ragatha and Gangle. Ragatha, visibly enjoying the tea, offers a quiet apology to Martha, referencing the tragic circumstances surrounding Martha's untimely death at the hands of her own husband. Unfazed, Martha dismisses it with a hint of wryness, remarking on the absurdity of men and their trivial priorities. So absorbed, they scarcely acknowledge the gravity of her own death. As Ragatha glances to the dimly lit corner, she notices Jax, tightly bound with ropes, his mouth sealed with tape. Martha, with a soft and measured tone, cautions her that should her husband make an appearance, he's likely to bore them all to death with his endless monologues, a fate seemingly worse than the ropes binding Jax. Martha's tea service adds an elegant touch to the scene, with her porcelain teacup and kettle adorned in cherry blossom motifs, perhaps crafted in China. Her presence radiates calmness and a kindness that, despite her grim tale, gives the room an almost comforting warmth. Her voice remains soft and steady, embodying a dignified tranquility that contrasts with the oddities and dark humor of the moment, making her both an enigmatic and endearing character. Martha continues with a wry comment about her husband, jesting that he has a unique talent for stretching a 57-second story into a Greek tragedy. Thanking Martha for the tea, Ragatha gathers Gangle and hoists Jax, still bound and gagged, onto a small toy wheelbarrow. Together, the trio heads out of the room, Jax in tow. Martha calls after them with a friendly, "Feel free to visit anytime." As the scene fades, Martha's full form remains partially obscured, seated as she is at the table. Inspired by this mysterious glimpse, I sketched a small portrait of her. Perhaps, in upcoming episodes, we'll get a complete look at her, and when that time comes, I'll be ready to draw and share a more detailed portrait. Hope you liked this video. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.